Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Morning,
good
sir.
morning. Back here with a
Good
lesson. In
morning,
the
sir.
last class, we are discussing on TCL scripting, and we'll complete that today, and we'll go with the next other things, right? Now coming to the TCL scripting, where we have stopped, and I have given some assignment questions also to you. That is the first assignment which we'll take is you keep on taking the numbers. Um until the space means blank space has been given, then you have to find the average of that particular numbers once the space has been given. Now, how you are going to do this particular program? Anybody did already? Anybody? Right? Now, we'll go and we'll see that program. Uh, just a minute. One minute. Yeah, share. Now we're back with this. I think everyone are seeing this Fedora screen. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now go to the program, GEdit. Now I will do program or prog to TCL.TCL. Program to TCL.TCL. Right. Now, so actually what you have to keep on taking the particular number, that is very much important. And continuously you have to take, this is a thing which you have to be considered there. Otherwise, after taking continuously means entering, means if enters the blank space there, then you must come out of that particular loop or things. Now you tell me how we can start with this particular program. How? Put as, right? I'll start with enter the numbers. Now, tell me, can you give while year itself? Can you give while year itself?
For entering, yes, sir. We have to use.
Hmm, hmm. How you can do this? Usually to say, I will tell you like this. We'll take a number, set, for example, A, S, get S, STD in, assume, just for a sake. So A you are going to take. So continuously you have to fetch sum of that particular A. That is set sum, how sum you are going to get. So whatever is there, so sum, sorry, expr dollar sum, so plus of dollar a. So this is important. Without sum, you can't get the average. Am I right?
Yes,
So then what you have to do? So then you have to find the finally you have to find the average. So that is set avj that is equal to Now, number of elements also you need to find the average. For that, what you will do within a loop, first what you have to do, you should make a count also. Set CR count as count plus one you can take, or INCR, sorry, INCR you can use, INCR count by one, right? So this much things has to come in a loop. So how you can manage this to get into the loop? The question here is what arises is, so when we start these things in a loop, for example, uh, while, right? Yeah, while you give what's the condition? What is the condition here you can give? What is the condition you can give? Hmm? What condition you can give here? Loudly.
So while A not equal to
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Tell
space
me.
like slash.
While A,
Uh,
uh,
Actually, you can't do, sir, because A is declared after this, no, sir. I
yes,
don't think
yes.
we can do.
1 minute. Dollar A not equal to, sorry, not equal to space. So then you keep on rotating. Like this, actually, it like this, everyone will think. But what's happening here, that is very much important. The A value you're not taking, you're taking inside the loop. Then what you have to do? Then what you can do? Can you use do while? Do while is there in this one? Means, uh, sorry, in TCL, we'll check. I will take
ಸರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಸೈಜ್
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ
ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಮೊದಲು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅದಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಹಾ
So, yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yesterday, what we did, we declared a variable like flag, set flag 0,
ಹಾ
and down we just give a while flag equals 0, just to execute. And
so we'll do while one that you are telling.
like while one, and inside is if condition. Like if the a value is equal to space, exit statement if you just give.
You are telling you should come out exit.
Yes, sir. We did it yesterday, actually.
Any other things? Think any other things?
ಸರ್ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ನ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಅವ್ನು ಕಿಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೀಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ವೈಲ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸೊ right, while always it is true, you keep on doing this. 1 minute, 1 minute back, right? Now what you are telling, if, right, so you go with it. Spaces we'll check it, don't worry about that. So space I'll give now just for a sec. Now tell me the condition. If dollar
A equals to
equal to, right, space, then What you have to do? Exit.
Here, no, sir. Printing sum and average, then exit, sir.
That is important. Printing sum and average is important. No. Exit. Or break we can give. Break.
Yes.
Break means it will come out. No. From loop.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct. So
Yes.
count is there. The average is equal to EXPR dollar sum divided by count. Sorry, dollar count. Right. So after this, what you have to do actually, you have to initialize the things. What are the initialization things? Set sum to 0, set counter to 0, right? Anything else is left out?
The bracket, sir. After the break, actually, the while bracket we are not closing.
While ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ
No. Sir.
Correct. So set brace bracket close ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Save it. We'll try, not an issue. Now run this. Running TCL message. First line, no problem for us. Enter numbers 10, 1, 2, 30, space. Syntax error. What is that? Dollar of EXPR, dollar of sum plus
Line 4 error.
Yeah, I'm getting line 4 error. Go back. So line 4 means 4. Just for a sake, either it's taking numbers or not, we'll cross check it once. Put as $A. Set sum, correct. EXPR dollar sum is already there. Plus dollar A, value of A, correct. So INCR increment. If A is equal to space, I have not given space, I think. There I pressed enter directly. We'll check. 1, why 1, 2 times? Yeah, it's printing. 3, 4, 5. I should give space. So it's taking the value, but
ಸೆಮಿಕೊಲನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಮಿಕೊಲನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಸೆಮಿಕೊಲನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಬ್ರೇಕ್.
ಇಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಗೆ ಸೆಮಿಕೊಲನ್.
ಸೆಮಿಕೊಲನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ semicolon ಅಲ್ಲ, semicolon or new line, whichever you want you can give, that's not a problem. So then here it's a mistake. So we'll see once what's actually the real program it will be there. According to me, first time the instruction should execute and then you can do the things. So if $A is equal to space, then you are telling flag. If you do like this, back here, if $A is equal to space, then what we'll do, flag is equal to 1. Let it be. While flag is equal to 0, do set flag as 0. While flag is equal to 0.
Dollar flag or normal flag, sir? Dollar
Really?
flag equals 1.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Flag equals 1. Separated.
ಸಾರಿ ಡಾಲರ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ.
Set.
Flag as 1. Correct. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Run this. ಎಲ್ಲ while body EXPR $sum line number 6 plus.
ಸರ್ EXPR ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ EXPR $sum ಪ್ಲಸ್ $A ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಹೌದು, $A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, $A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ತಾನೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಸಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಎರರ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ EXPR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪೇಸು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 space. In error bantu? Well, body line 6, same error. Same error bata. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓ 1 ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನೌ. Just for a sake I am checking it. Don't worry about that. Let it be, not a problem. Afterwards I'll change. Done. But someone ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟು. ಇಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. put as the of the numbers given is dollar sum, right pa? Next, put as the average of the average of the numbers given is average. Okay pa? Ika correct. One, 10, 2, 2.5 and 3, and I'll give again -1. Anything you can give, not have told that. Check it, check, is it correct? Check.
Correct, sir.
Correct now? Now we have succeeded in a first program. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, like your ordinary C program, you can do the n number of programs like this, even a TCL also. So that is important here, right? Nirupama, close one. Right. So got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Did to find the largest and a single second largest of given numbers that you can do, I think, that program. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? See how actually one by one codings we can do and all. So this is a coding switch how we have did according to the syntaxes and all, like C program, whatever the things, even you can use for loops also. You know that in a for loop all three statements should be there within a flower braces and all. So space is required here after the command, so that you must take into the consideration and how we have used INCR operator here. You can see, and then how a command substitution operators, that is a square bracket, which we have used while doing a programs. So all these things will come routinely when you keep on doing programs. Now we'll back with our PPT session. So stop sharing of this. Now back here with the PPT. Where is PPT? 1 minute. Yeah. Now, yesterday we had discussed all these things, right? So you want me to make it as a full screen, or it is visible, right? It's visible, not any issues. So now coming to the next things, the program, if you want to ask user to statement, right? Back loops, yeah, assignment 2. How they have taken, you can see here, set input not done, they have used not done. Note down this, not done, it is a not done is a command. So which will means not done is not a command, just some characters they have given. It's not given still the input. Okay. And that is not a space, so it will come inside, enter the number, flush std out, means whatever is there in a std out, it will first set input, get us std in. So this input will be replaced with the number whatever you have given. If the input not equal to space, set total, you are getting a total of that, and count. They also did in same way what we have did. If count is equal to 0, you did not enter any numbers, that we have not did. If you want, you can do that. Set average of the numbers we have made, and I have printed that. Same thing almost all what we have did, the same concept they have taken and they have did. We have taken while one continuously and we have used a break there. Not any problem. So we learned a break. That's a new thing which we have learned. Procedure yesterday we have discussed. So using procedure we'll do one program. You will come to know how procedure will work. Right? Can we do? Can we do?
Sure.
Back. Yeah. Right. Now, GEdit of 3 TCL dot TCL. Go back. Now we'll go with a procedure. So there's no rule like that. Always first you should define a procedure. Yeah, I do like this. For example, put S. What I told the question for a procedure. What I told? Generate even and odd numbers. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Generate even and odd numbers. If you want to do means n value, you have to send, and there the while loop should be there, and if statement everything should be there. So n you can ask. Enter the value of n. Now set n to how get as std in. So n value you have taken. After taking n value, everything you can do within a function. So now I'll call the function. Actually, now I should call the function means how I can call the function. Very simple. I can call the function directly or with any value written is there, then also I can take that particular thing. But actually to see here to generate a even and odd numbers, I don't have any written values here. So serially I can get there. So how, for example, now just I will call the function called as, what's the name I can give, sorry, odd, even, as well, just for a second. Now a function is called there. So before calling the function, you should define the function.
Sure.
That is prop even. So what you are getting here, I will take here it as a num. Right. So now within a procedure, what you can write the instructions. What instructions you can write here? So n you have taken. Now I will tell while n not equal to 0.
Sir,
Dollar.
my
Tell me.
screen is not visible, sir.
Why?
You haven't shared the screen where you are writing the code.
I've not shared. I
No,
shared,
sir.
man.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. 1 minute, 1 minute. Back here. Again, I will share, check it out. Share the window. Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Right, and now see these are the instructions which I have entered. That is, first I have the n, so n value I have taken from a user. Then automatically I am defining a function called as odd even through the proc. So num is the one which is a parameter which I am going to take, and based on that particular parameter, that is num not equal to 0. So odd and even numbers I have to generate. So how I can generate the odd and even numbers there. Loudly. Give me the instructions.
So we're taking the mod of if the mod of even number will be 0. The mod of one number will be 1.
So if the
Wow.
modulus is 1, we will print it is odd. If the modulus 0, we will print it is
That is if dollar num whatever is there, so dollar num mod of that is percentage of with a 2, am I right?
yes.
Percentage of 2. So I will take this as expr, 1 minute, expr. So first let it be execute, right? So is equal to, correct? Equal to 0. Then put as even number dollar num, right? So we'll close this, else open this, come back. So what you have to do? Put as odd number dollar num. Close this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything wrong here? According to me, no wrong. While okay. Now while loop, whatever is there, so I should NCR, sorry, NCR -1. I should decrement that. Correct. So NCR, sorry, what is the value of that? Num dollar, no, num, correct, num. See, I am trying to give now dollar num. So my hand itself, it will go like that. So now while, close this, close the while.
So
Now
we
I
also have to close the procedure function.
yeah, procedure function is it, right? We should close that. Yeah, procedure is also closed now, I think. Right, same. TCL SH. So I will give some 5. Oh, error. While close brace problem somewhere. Where is the problem? Close brace we have missed. In odd
ಸರ್
even
ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
function.
ಆಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ತೆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕರಿಬೇಕು. Odd even we should call. Now it's calling correctly, not a problem. But somewhere here it's telling in if where somewhere it's telling that.
Yes, sir, for the calculating the dollar num modulus 2, it should store somewhere, no, sir.
It can be stored. Why can't we give directly that? I'm thinking like that. If you do like that, it's okay, not a problem. For example, set x as xpr dollar num percentage of 2. No, there you can take it as x.
Sir, dollar $x.
Uh,
If condition.
$x. No. If dollar while body line 3. Somewhere this statement it's giving error. Anywhere flower base is missing. Should be odd even num. What is this? TCL program TCL. Or just a name you have to give, that's it. I have not passed a parameter here. 1 minute. Sorry. So odd even. I should pass, no? I should pass the parameter. How we can pass up parameters? 1 minute. How we can pass up parameters? Like this. Let us check. Dollar. Yeah. Just for a sake, I am doing this. Calling a function. No error. So remove this quotes. Just call odd even. Got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Right? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So we got the output, right? Now see how you are calling this particular procedure, that is important. See, you are calling the procedure like this. So the procedure name, so whatever is there, the arguments you should give like this. Usually what mistakes you will do, you are feeling like that I am doing a program and you are feeling like that what a simple program sir is telling and all. But when you put a bracket here, usually in C program you will put a brackets. So when you put a bracket here, what happens? That also you must see, right? So I will put a bracket here. Usually what students will do the mistake, right? Then see error. So definitely error will come. So what you have to do then, you will get a confusion how to call the function. So that is the problem here. So only space is needed, that you have to keep in your mind. So your function here, what happens here, first it will treat it as a command, but it's not a command, right? So it's not a command means let it be the user defined function, it will check. If it is also not the user defined function, then it will throw the error. So like that, whatever you are doing, you must be very careful while doing on this particular procedures and all. So whatever the arguments you want, you can send now here, not a problem. For example, assume that $n is there. Now I will send like this, expr $n plus $n. Either it will go or not, we will check. No. So then
Square bracket.
square bracket. Good. Square bracket. 5. So from 10 it's coming. Right? Divide by 2. Whatever you want, you can send like that. It depends. It depends how you are going to send. In this way, you are going to use functions, procedures to do the things. Right? Any other things you want as a program, I will teach you. Any other things you want as a program? Huh?
Sir, in CN's a little problem.
Tell me, what's the problem in CM?
So that's the codes, or sometimes we won't understand what going on there.
Which program code you tell me? I will take that directly. Which program you are having doubt in CM? You tell me directly. I will go there. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah. You tell me which program that is.
Program number 5.
Program number?
In some part V, program number 5.
Part B, program number 5. Right? Just
Yes.
a minute. Just a minute for a second. Where is it? NS2 is there, it's working now. Just I'll check whether NS2 is working or not, just for a minute. NS, no, it's the new command not found. What's the problem here? So now how to install NS2? If you want, you can see now here, not a problem. Cross check it once whether it is there. Install. Control C. Close this. File system. Yes. Control. Right. Now close this. I'll cross check it again. It is working or not. Honest. Yes. Yeah, it's working. It's coming to TCL Pro. Not an upload. That's it. Yeah. Before this, just a minute. MSG is not there. Anybody can share at least your program. Can I explain that? I don't have that program, I think. 1 minute, I'll recheck it. No, I don't have that program, I think. So, everything is new here. No, can anybody share this? I will stop sharing 1 minute. Just for a second. Stop sharing. Yeah. Can you share that program, Raman?
Yes.
Yeah. Quick. How many of you are having doubts in CN program starting from 1 to 5? All 5 I will teach if you want. Can anybody speak now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many of you want 1 to 5? All I can teach you that flow, how to make
Yes, sir.
and all.
Yes,
Huh?
the explanation would be good, sir.
You need, right? Yeah, do one thing. Anyway, now it is already 12:40. It will
Yes,
take
sir.
more time, I think. So in next class, what is our next class? That is on tomorrow's class. That is tomorrow one first program. Now you know TCL scripting, not a problem, right? You can write your own
Yes.
programs using a TCL script. Don't worry about arrays. Arrays is not used in your MS2. That's why don't worry about that. Now, presently, I will go with all the NS25 programs and I will teach you how the flow, everything is there, and how the default program it will works and all always. Right. So all 5 programs, question by question, I will teach you. Don't worry about it. Right?
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many are there now? 51 students. Right. Pa? Okay. Now I'll stop the recording. 1 minute.
So do we have
Yes, sir.
classes in afternoon?
Afternoon, no classes.
Sir,
Everyone